All right. I'm sick, but I'm gonna keep on coding. But what I'm basically gonna be doing, because I already have it set up, so that like in my emulator and in my local environment, my uh like local function works. But what is this? Does three not work right now? Oh, wait. Okay. But um yeah, this is going to be a stream of me making my cloud function live. So, let me go ahead and start. Um, what I may need to make a new one. This is going to be an export. It's going to be called Stripe Checkout, but I'm using the wrong key. What I need to do is I'm going to go to Stripe. Well, I don't think I can really show that. But basically, I'm going to be going into my like off camera. I'm going to be going into my .env file right here. That's this, which is being used right here, and the key is, being used, whatever. So, I'm going to be changing this test key into the production key. So, oh, I mean, okay. Wait a second. What is the difference between Stripe C K key and publishable? Used for backing operations or creating charges. Okay, for initializing. Huh. Uh, if I'm using Stripe for a Google function, which of these keys would I use? You're already using the correct. Store securely. You're correctly loading it. Never expose. Front-end code. You need to interact with Stripe for your from your front end, which should be in your client side application, not shown here. This is where you would use a publishable key. I'm not using that anywhere here. This is going to be the URL for the cloud function, but I'm not using any keys here. Uh-uh. Oh, that's HTML. Whoops. So, oh well. Um, okay. Would my secret key in the sandbox be different from my action. Sorry, hold up. SK test and SK live. This says SK text. Where would I view my live stuff at? Exit switch sandbox test mode. No, wait. Switching accounts. You're using test data. I don't want to do that. Wait, whoa, 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 whoa. Other accounts. No. Switch sandbox triggers. I don't want to. I want to exit the sandbox. So, and I don't want to be in test mode. Oh, oh, sign out then. Because right now I can't do anything in this. I'll have to sign out and sign into his Stripe account, set that up again, and go from there. And go forward with that. Wait, is this his number? Oh, no. You get to remove this requirement by providing a backup code. Oh, I have a backup code. Oh my gosh. Okay, fine. Fine. Huh. I guess I'll complete my business account. Oh, I don't think that would be too bad then. Oh, business type. Wait. Owned by one person. Huh. Uh, 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 I'm doing all this right here. Well, have to take it right back off. Hold up. I hope that, like, in the future, I can just go ahead and transfer this environment over to his account because currently I don't have access to it, but I do have access to mine. So hopefully. But if not, then I'll just recreate it. Uh, what? Make sure. Okay. Which one is this? I don't feel like taking it out right now. But uh, 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 uh. Sorry. Um, there we go. Software. Uh, there we go. Okay. I don't know what this is gonna look like. Okay. Like for a second, like I like briefly forgot my last four digits. I had to think real hard about that. Okay. This is different. Oh, this is different. Oh, wait. Formal pass. Oh no. Huh? This is a whole bunch of just like off-screen stuff. Um, sorry. This is what I'm listening to. Yeah. So, uh, um, Just try it. No. Like, what does this actually mean? No. Okay. Fine. Yes. I'm not getting it. Oh gosh. Give me a second. Uh, okay. I'm still here. All right. What would this be? What? Do, 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 do. Huh? Oh, what? None of these are on there. Oh gosh. Huh. It seems as though I can't really. Huh. Okay. You can always unlink. Oh gosh. Okay. I'm actually very happy that that I started streaming this early because this gives me time to fill out stuff like this. Ooh. TXs. A payment. What? Ah, I don't want to fill that out. Ah, this sucks. Information. Account. Wait, what? Hold up. I will be right back. Okay. No. How would I view? This is interesting. Expiration. Chat GPT it is. Hold up. Ah, crap. Again, I will be. I'm still here. I can't view it. Oh gosh. Okay, I'm gonna have to really like BRB. Give me a second. All right, I'm back. Kinda. Uh, ah. Ah. All right. So let's see if I can get this to be good. Hmm. Expiration. Uh, routing. No information. There we go. Okay. Why do I have to use my phone so much for this? This is ridiculous. Cool. Okay. Oops. Alright, cool. Now I can get back to coding. Wow. Now. Uh, where would I get my keys at successful? What is this? What the heck? Does it work? It should work. So I'm not really gonna do all that. Okay. Now, uh, close these out. I can close that out. Have that be right there. Uh, okay. Huh? All right. Cool. I think I'm good now. But the problem I'm having now, I need to go ahead and log out of this. The problem I'm having now, or will have, is I need to somehow. Okay, how would I. Hold up. How would I deploy? I think all I have to do is just do that. Uh-huh. What? Eh, that's fine. So in here. Oh, why is there always a problem? NPM what? No. What? Right. What does it say? Lint. Man, Is this the problem? There has to be something like slash ESLint disable whatever for the entire file. Yeah, that's what. Yeah, because this is stupid. Huh? Okay, let me follow this thing. I already have this though. Yeah, I'm gonna. Yeah. npm run build, and then that, because I'm already logged in. I'm already logged in. Yeah. So what's the problem? Function. I didn't. npm run lint. I'm not. That isn't. Huh? It's not defined. Well, unreachable code. Okay, wait. Required. Where's all that happening at? Empty. It's not defined. Yeah, I'm putting that back. I'm putting that back because no. Module is not defined. I don't even know what that means. Build. Would I have to close that out, man? Pre-deploy. This is usually caused by one of the. Let's run it. See what it says. Post. True. Yeah. Where is it? Where's my node? Which one is this in? npm install? Hold up. Huh? I don't know what that is. Engines. Engines. Okay. Did it for both. Update your ES link configuration. Create that. In your functions directory to override problematic rules. I'm pretty sure this is kind of one to root true root env. Yes, it's true. No true. Extends. Yes. Rule. I don't know. Sure. If you want. Oh. Oh, whoops. CD. CD. Man, please. There's nothing wrong with my code. I hate this. I must. Control speed. Bet. Oh. And also that too. There's nothing wrong with this, is it? Okay. Okay. Let's get back to that. Let's see. No. CD. And it's still doing it. Okay. I wish this wasn't the case. I really do. I really do. I really do. I really do. Okay. So I mean, I can't really rely on this Copilot right now. So I'm using this. Uh, uh, messed up. Add a line. Which one is that? How you doing? How you doing? You're trying to run lint script, but the script lint is missing in your functions. Why it's happening? Firebase runs the lint script by default. Please, by default. What's in there? Oh, by default, using Firebase deploy or Firebase deploy. Oh, I'm trying to well, I can do that. Well, I last stream I I integrated Stripe in a checkout feature for meal preps for a project that I'm building, but that was in the sandbox and I'm trying to make it go live, but right now I want to make a cloud function. But the problem that I'm having is I can't make it live because it keeps on throwing this error. So I don't I don't know if it's gonna be all that big of an issue, but I just have to keep on working on it. How you doing? How are you doing? Runs the if you haven't disabled it, or if you've added it as a pre-deploy step in your Firebase.json. Where's my Firebase.json? Firebase. No. Huh? Is this? Okay. In my Firebase.json. No, actually. Um, kind of scared of using it. I don't really know exactly how I would do it. I just tell it what to do. Add a lint script and functions package dot JSON script lint. Uh, I don't want it to like break anything. That's why I haven't used it. I don't know if it will break anything. I see I see this drop down. It's just I don't exactly know. It says the edit files. I don't. I'm scared. I'm scared. Uh, Let me finish it. I don't know if this is gonna work. Uh, CD functions, and then go in here. Save dev. Okay. If you haven't, if you don't have, I'm pretty sure I have this. Sure. I don't know what this is doing. It's probably breaking something. Uh, Thank you. I need it. Thank you. Uh, huh. Remove or disable the lint script. Pre-deploy. Do I have any pre-deploy? Oh, whoops. Pre-deploy. Oh, hello. Remove it. So really, what I could do is just let's try. Cause I did this. Let's try it again. Oh wow, it works. Well, guess I don't need to do that. Okay. Huh. So I trust that this thing works still because in the sandbox it was working. All I did was just replace oh come on, finish. All I did was just replace the stripe keys. Would there be anything that would stop it from doing that? Stop it from working? Because oh, that's bad. Oh gosh, that's bad. Wait, hold up. Sure. This is where I needed to go back to. So, if I do this, yes. And if I do this, yes. That's what I needed to do. I have failed. Oh, that sucks. So this is gonna take forever to complete. Now, I mean, I'm doing this and did this, so I think I'm done as far as like what I set out to do. Now is just to I'm probably gonna use Uh, how many days do you want to keep containing images? Okay. Anyways, uh, I'm probably gonna use Gemini. Oh, that's bad. I'm still using this. I need. Hello? Where did this go? Whoa. Huh. So it's there, but it's not there. Interesting. So it does it. Whoa, maybe that worked. And now it's in there. Cool. Uh, wait. That's a different URL. Is that a different URL than this? What? Let's just use this. Let's go home. Okay. So whenever I do that, okay, let's do npm run build again, and then Firebase. Ooh, it's gonna take forever to find that again. It's Firebase deploy, but it's only at there we go. Let's do that. Because now that's gonna be at here. And this is live. So the fact this is taking forever is not a good sign. It's looking bad. Oh snap, did I go offline? Am I good now? Anyways. Uh boom boom. Works. Uh test gmail.com. Yeah, I went offline. Uh doesn't really. And then it sends me here. Cool. GPay works. This is live, so I don't really want to go through this, but it works. So I can just go back. Wow. All right. The only problem is going through uh my Stripe account that I have and not his. What? Can what? Whatever. Uh, we can just call this a success. A successful stream, even though the first parts of it were a little bit boring, a little bit dry, a little bit, whatever. But this works. So, and then once this finishes up, it'll just send me back here. Because once I'm at the Stripe checkout, now I'm just waiting for Stripe to do what Stripe is going to do. Stripe does what it does, sends it to their dashboard, finalizes the payment, and then on success, it sends me right back here. I wonder what happens. I wonder what happens. Um, how I can have some type of like thank you or something for like user feedback and user appreciation. But like user feedback, if that's even possible, how like for here, if it's loading, it says processing. Maybe like above here, it says like thank you for purchasing or uh something like that. Oh, all right. But now I think I might be able to move forward. This is what I'm gonna do. This is what I'm gonna do. This is what I'm gonna do. All right, so I'm gonna start using Gemini for the about page, and I wanted to match kind of the layout of these. Once I finish this about page, I'm gonna move forward with the other meal prep options, and then at that point, I should be good. There's also catering. Um, I just finished implementing Stripe for meal preps. This is the current what it looks like. So if someone has a 6 meals whatever plan or 10, let's go with 10 just to show difference. 10 meal option base plan is $100 plus the price of food. The price of food is 36 per order of meal. So yeah. Um Go ahead and put in a random something cool processing, sends you to Stripe, and then you can go ahead and just fill stuff out with this, and then sends you that. Um, oh yeah. I also could just to like enrich the experience once someone is done with this. Create Stripe checkout session. Okay. My next thing would be oh, oh. Wait. If success. No. Huh. My next thing could be um that's what I'm gonna do. Uh check success status If it is a thank you feedback. That's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do. So, I don't know how I'm gonna do that, but I'm gonna try to do it. If anyone has used Stripe in the past and can help me avoid relying on AI for it, that would be great. But I'm still gonna find a way to do it. So freezing? What is free? Am I freezing? Are you freezing? Are payments freezing? Is that what you mean? How you doing? There's so many things that I can do with this. It's just finding out which direction to take in the moment. And I also may take a nap. I don't know. I'm doing so well. I that. That's what I'm gonna do. That. Whenever I come back, I'm gonna switch this and this. Cause would that throw anything crazy? Huh. Alright, fine. I'm not disabling that. But if okay. I think this may be where I call it. Because I already have everything that I've set out to do um, implemented. Next, oh, that could be the next thing too. So, I don't know. Um, I'm probably gonna get off. Probably gonna stop streaming. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if this is helpful, entertaining, stress relieving. So yeah, uh, I'm probably gonna take a nap because I'm kind of sick and my head hurts and I have the sniffles. So, talk to you later. I'll be on later today or tomorrow, depending on what time zone you're in. And later. Come on.